Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to automate social media posts with Zapier. So step 1, we need to create a Zapier account and connect apps. So sign up for Zapier, go to the Zapier website and create an account, then connect apps. Connect the apps that you want to use such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or a spreadsheet program like Google Sheets or Airtable to your Zapier account. Step 2 would be to set up the trigger. So choose a trigger app, then select the app that will trigger the social media post. For example, new email, new Google Sheet row. Then select a trigger event. Choose the specific event that will initiate this app. For example, a new mail or a new row in spreadsheet. Then connect the app, then authorize Zapier to connect your selected app. Step 3 would be to set up the action. So choose the action app. Select the social media platform where you want to post. For example, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Then select an action event. Choose the specific action to be performed, like create a new post or post a photo. Then connect the app. Authorize Zapier to connect to your social media platform. Finally, map the information and test the Zap. So take note on this. So for example, you want to mail all people who post car videos or car photos. So make sure you only set up the Zap or the action to email them, for example, to email them if they have the hashtag car on their posts. So you will email all the people who posted a car video or a car photo who have the hashtag car on it. If don't, they will not be emailed. So if you don't do this, every single post on Instagram for all people will be sent an email to. So please, to prevent that, your automation or his app must be specific. Then map the data, link the information from the trigger app to the appropriate fields in the action app. For example, map the mail or the email subject to the Facebook post title. Then test the Zap to ensure it's working correctly and that the information is being mapped accurately. Lastly, turn on the Zap. Then once you're satisfied, turn on the Zap to activate the automation. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.